Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make base-free sweet butter chicken from scratch. If you like your Korma and Tikka Masala dishes, this is definitely for you. A base layer of mild sweet gravy topped with a sweet layer of coconut, almonds, sugar and cream. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. A full list of all the ingredients for the dish can be found in the description below. Let's make the base layer of the dish first, as this is how my local used to make it. If you want to make it all in one go, I'll add the instructions in the description. To begin, heat a pan on medium and add 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once hot, add in 1 small blended, grated or finely diced onion, stir through and allow to soften for a minute or two. Add in 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, stir through and fry for 30 seconds until the bitterness disappears. Turn up the heat to max and add 1.5 tablespoons of tomato puree watered down with 4.5 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, quarter of a teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter of a teaspoon of turmeric powder and quarter of a teaspoon of cumin powder. Stir through thoroughly and allow to cook out for a couple of minutes. If your curries ever taste grainy, it's because you're not cooking out the spices enough at this stage. Add in 100 milliliters of hot water, stir through and allow to reduce for a couple of minutes before adding another 100 milliliters. Add your choice of protein and coat to stop it from drying out. Today I'm adding chicken tikka that I've marinated in my tikka paste and cooked in my homemade tandoor. If you fancy building one for under £50, the link is popping up now along with my chicken tikka recipe. Allow to simmer until the meat is cooked through and the sauce is the consistency you require. I normally cook my sauce until I can scrape the pan and the sauce takes a while to come back. Remove from the heat and dish into a serving bowl. Now let's make the top white layer. So put the pan back on a medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of ground almonds, 3 tablespoons of coconut milk powder, 50 grams of butter and around 200 milliliters of single cream. Combine well and allow to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring frequently to stop it sticking. Then simply remove from the heat and pour over the base layer. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.